Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to screen mirror your phone on Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to screen mirror your mobile on your Windows 11 laptop, you have to do some of the settings. What I will guide you. Click on Start menu and type here Settings. Click on Settings. Guys, in left section you can see here Apps option. Just click on this. Guys, in right section you can see here Optional Features. Just click on this. Guys, you can see here Add an optional feature. Here you can see View Features. Just click on this. Guys, in this you need to search wireless display. You can see here wireless display. Check mark this box and click on next. Click install and wait for some time to install this wireless display. Guys, you can see here the wireless display has been installed. Guys, after installation of the wireless display, you have to do some of the settings. Type here projection. You can see here projection setting. Just click on this. Guys, in this you can see here launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's okay. In first option, you have to keep available everywhere, and in second option, ask to project to this PC. You need to keep as first time only. And there is third option, require pin for pairing. You need to set as never. After this, close this window, then type here connect. You can see here connect to wireless display. Just click on this. You can see here connect to wireless display. Just click on this. After this, you have to go to your mobile. Guys, after coming to your mobile, guys, you need to slide down the notification bar. Here you can see here screencast. Just click on this. You have to enable your Wi-Fi also. Here you can see screencast. You have to just enable this option. You will find your PC name here, available devices. Just click on this. Click on turn on. Click on your PC name to connect. After clicking on your PC name, you can see here we have successfully connected our mobile to laptop. As you can see it as a screen mirroring also. You can see you can operate your mobile and you can see your mobile screen on your laptop. Guys, you can play videos also. That's it guys. So in this way you can screen your mobile in your laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.